year get ready for exciting adventures. Are you ready for a fun challenge today? We're going to play a super cool matching game. Can you find the right shadow or match for each picture? Let's play, learn, and have lots of fun together. Get ready here. We go here comes the big yellow bus. It says beep, beep. Now let's find where the bus fits in our puzzle. Yay, that's the perfect match! A bus is a big vehicle that carries lots of people. It has many seats, big windows, and special doors that open and close. Some buses take kids to school, while others help people get to work or visit new places.
Now next is airplane.
Wow, an airplane is flying high in the sky. Can you match it to the right shadow? You nailed it! An airplane has big wings and powerful engines that help it fly across cities, countries, and oceans. Look out! It's an ambulance rushing by with its sirens on. Which shadow looks just like this ambulance? Great match! An ambulance helps people who are sick or hurt. It drives very fast to the hospital and makes a loud wee-oo sound. Here comes a shiny car. Zoom, zoom. Can you match it to the right shadow? That's it! Great job! A car is a small vehicle that families use to go places like school, the store, or on fun trips. Look at that! It's a forklift lifting boxes up high. Can you find its matching shadow? Yes! That's the one! A forklift is a small but strong vehicle used in warehouses and factories. It has forks in front to lift and move heavy items. Beep, beep. It carefully drives around picking things up. Here comes a big truck. It's carrying a heavy load. Which shadow fits this strong vehicle? You got it! A truck is a powerful machine that helps move big things like furniture, food, or tools. Trucks have large wheels and long trailers. They make a honk-honk sound and go rumbling down the road. Look, it's a big boat floating on the water. Which shadow matches this boat? Yes, you got it! A boat travels on water, like rivers, lakes, or oceans. Some boats carry people. Others carry things like boxes and cars. Boats can have sails or engines, and they sometimes make a toot-toot sound. Here comes a helicopter. Its blades are spinning super fast. Can you spot the matching shadow? That's right! A helicopter can fly up and down, and even hover in one place. It's used for rescues, news reports, and sometimes even traffic checks. You'll hear a loud whirring sound when it